Alright, welcome back, and today we're going to work on the trading tab of the Pet Sim UI series. So we just made the pet inventory, so this is going to be quite simple. Most of the assets are reusable, so we're going to copy the new update frame instead because the shape is more closer to the trading thing. So let's take this and let's just resize and scale it so it is according, so it is similar. I'm just gonna scale this down. So let's scale this. The little blue thing should be scaled as well, and also the darker item in the back. So right here, and it should go here. Okay, cool. Alright, now that we have the size, we could move this to the side. Let's take my X, move it back, change the text to trading, and I can also hide this. And for the button, we're gonna hit Control T and resize our button. So let's take this, let's go show friends like that. And in our pet inventory, we have the search bar, which I'm gonna copy and paste. So if you guys have not watched the previous part where we made this, you have to go ahead and check it out. So search bar goes right here. Okay, and we can also enlarge it. Boom, place this here. Alright, it's cool. And now for the little trading tabs, we could copy this shape, hit Control T, and we're just going to scale it up. And that's pretty much it. I mean, pretty simple. Okay, Lisa. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the trading tab frame right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this part. Yeah, stay tuned for the next one, and I'm gonna see you guys later.